3 hours, one room, and a nuclear standoff that could change the global security here. While the world was watching, diplomats were gathered, tensions were high. And when the meeting ended, Iran sent a message that echoed far beyond the neighboring table. Inside Geneva, senior diplomats they sat face to face, discussing one of the most dangerous disputes in global politics, Iran's nuclear program. And leading Iran's voice in this tense confrontation was their foreign minister Abbas Araghchi. When the talks ended, Araghchi he did not hide his tone. It was calm though, but it was sharp and it carried a warning. He called the meeting a new window of opportunity, a chance to finally move forward towards a stable and long-term nuclear agreement. But that opportunity came with condition, very strong condition rather. Araghchi directly addressed the United States and his message, it was simple. Stop threatening Iran with military force. Immediately. Yes, according to Iran, threats of attack, they do not create peace. They create resistance. They create escalation and they push diplomacy further away. And here's where this message, it became more intense. Araghchi warned that Iran is not weak and Iran is not unprepared. He said that if Iran faces an attack, the consequences would not remain limited to Iran's border. Now that statement sent shockwave through diplomatic circles because in the Middle East, conflict rarely stays contained, right? It spreads, it pulls in allies, and sometimes it reshapes the global alliances. Araghchi also took aim at US President Mr. Donald Trump, a leader whose policies shaped the nuclear conflict every single term. In fact, years ago, under Trump's leadership, the US walked away from the historic Iran nuclear agreement. That decision kind of triggered sanctions, rising tension, and years of hostility. Now, since then, trust between Washington and Tehran has remained fragile. Some say that it barely exists. Now, both the sides are again sitting at a negotiation table. But the atmosphere, it is very different. This is not about nuclear technology anymore. Well, it's about power, it's about security and survival. Iran says its nuclear program is peaceful. It insists that its goal is energy, research, and development. But Western countries remain deeply suspicious. They fear that Iran could move closer to building a nuclear weapon, and that fear has kept global tensions alive for years. During the Geneva discussions, Iran tried to project two messages at the very same time. One message of diplomacy and one of strength. Araghchi made it absolutely clear that Iran is willing to talk, Iran is willing to negotiate, Iran is willing to reach a fair deal. But Iran will not negotiate under pressure and it will not negotiate under threat. Experts say that this is classic, high-stakes diplomacy. Both the sides want an agreement right now. But neither sides want to appear weak. In the meantime, global stakes are enormous. A nuclear deal could reduce Middle East tension. It could stabilize oil market. It could reshape the US-Iran relationship. But failure could push the region closer to confrontation. And history shows even a small spark in the Middle East can trigger global consequences.